Summertime can be incredibly tough for cleaning business owners that also have kids. You feel like you're being pulled in all different directions. You feel like you don't have enough time for the business or enough time for your family. You feel guilty when you're working that you're not spending more time with the kids. And when you're spending time with the kids, you feel guilty that you're not working. That's not a fun position for anyone to be in. And the August especially is a really tough month for most people. There's also lots of holidays happening and it's hard to recruit. It can be really hard. So I would say use this time to analyze what's not working in the business. The good news is, usually it takes about 3 months, if that, to really turn it around for people. And we've been routinely doing that with cleaning company owners in the Cleanup Academy, helping people to drastically reduce their working hours, helping people to get measures, systems, processes, automation in place, even new team members, to be able to pick up the slack so you can delegate, you can automate, you can honestly leave the business in their hands. In 12 months' time, you could absolutely be in a place where you've got a high profit, low stress cleaning business that doesn't need you, right? That can run without you. Because if that's the case, all of a sudden you got 6 weeks of the summer where you don't have to be there for your cleaning business. You get to spend as much time with your kids as you want to. You can go wherever you want. The great thing is you're still making great profit. But in order to do that, we have to look at what's not working now. Where are you being pulled back in? What's taking up your time? What's causing you to work so much?